HMS Trincomalee is a Royal Navy Leda-class sailing frigate built shortly after the end of the Napoleonic Wars. She is now restored as a museum ship in Hartlepool, England. Trincomalee is one of two surviving British frigates of her era. Her near sister HMS Unicorn is now a museum ship in Dundee. After being ordered on 30 October 1812, Trincomalee was built in Bombay, India, by the Wadia family of shipwrights in teak due to oak shortages in Britain as a result of shipbuilding drives for the Napoleonic Wars. The ship was named Trincomalee after the 1782 Battle of Trincomalee off the Ceylon port of that name. Work on the Trincomalee began in May 1816. Ceremonially, an engraved silver nail was hammered into the ship's keel by the master shipbuilder Jamsetji Bomanji Wadia, this being considered vital for the ship's well-being, according to Parsi Zoroastrian tradition. With a construction cost of £23,000, Trincomalee was launched on 12 October 1817. Captain Philip Henry sailed her to Portsmouth Dockyard, where she arrived on 30 April 1819, with a journey costing £6,600. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.